This is the October Discovered Beauty box, and it is their birthday box, their third birthday to be precise. Let's get in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this, and this is the October Discovered Beauty box. Let's open it. If you haven't already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Here is the box. So this costs £25 per month. If you want a one-off box, it's just £30. I have a link. I'll pop it in the information box and the comment box. If you click that link, you will get what is it again? I'm trying to remember. Is it £3 off the box? I think it is. Oh my goodness, my memory is totally gone. But all the details are down below in the information box or the comment box. Give them a click and save some money. You won't get this box, unfortunately. You have to order before the 10th of the month to get that month's box. And because I pay for this box myself, I don't get it as PR. Yeah, it's too late for you to order. But if you want to order now, you'll get next month's box. I've never been disappointed with a Discovered Beauty box yet, and that's a very big claim indeed. So in the box we get this. It's just a little card saying thanks for your purchase. Then we get the edit card. It's got information on all the products in here, which is fab. And then this is inside, all packed nice and neatly. So I think the paper kind of gives away what the theme of the box is. This says happy birthday. Just got the edit card. There's a little note there, so let's just quickly read it. This edit is called Birthday Time. It's our third birthday DBB fam. Can you believe it? We are 3 already, and we can't have done it without you. Dive into a box of delights. So let's have a sneaky peek before we actually dig on in. There we go. There is a sneak peek. Let's get on in here. The first item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Bain and Savin, and this is a Dead Sea Mud Facial Bar. This has an RRP of £7, so very affordable indeed. It just says get an instant facial with this Dead Sea Mud Facial Bar from Bain and Savin, made with sea clay gathered from the depths of the Dead Sea. Dead Sea mud is said to help remove toxins from the skin, provide gentle exfoliations, remove dead skin cells, and help protect the skin barrier and make it more elastic. It also includes iron, potassium, calcium, providing the skin with rich nutrients, as well as argan oil, which can help with hydration. It just says leave on for a few minutes before washing off so the ingredients can work their magic. It is vegan and cruelty free. I love stuff like this. So yeah, we have ourselves a little mud mask that we just leave on for a few minutes. It smells interesting. It smells lovely. I think I can smell like lavender, lemon, rosy kind of smell, if that makes any sense. But it does smell very nice. I can't wait to use that. The second item we have in the box is this. It is a candle, and guys, as soon as I opened the box I could smell it. It smells so good. So this is by the brand Lunar Moon, and you're either gonna get a blackberry and bay scent or a floral blush, and I've got the floral blush and it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So this has an RRP of £7 as well. Again, really affordable. From the smell of that, I thought that would be way more expensive than that. And it just says it's our birthday, we could not celebrate without having a candle, and this makes it extra special. And what makes it extra special is that they are handmade and hand poured. You will receive either the blackberry and bay, which has notes of deep tart blackberry juice and fresh bay, and I can't even talk, and brambly woods, or the floral blush that presents with a refreshing rhubarb, elderflower, tea rose, pineapple, with an undertone of musk and dry fruits. Is good. The third item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand, is that Ohana Ohana, I think so. I don't know. So it's Ohana CBD, and this is an all-in-one wonder bomb. Wow, the RRP on this is £75. It just says nourish and smooth dry, cracked and troubled skin with Ohana's all-in-one wonder balm. As you may have guessed, it's not the only thing the Wonder Balm is good for. It can be used on the face as well as the body, used as a muscle rub for achy joints, after a workout, curved chapped lips, provide relief of sunburn, scrapes, scars and more. This is all thanks to the powerful, wonderful ingredients such as CBD isolate, which is calming and therapeutic benefits, whilst also aiming to counteract the signs of aging. Now I like the sound of that. Olactolith, I've totally said that wrong, to aid with rosacea, redness reduction and help reactivate skin. Arnica oil to repair damaged skin and is also an anti-inflammatory that can help with bruises and pain. Calendula oil, which is skin soothing, and lavender, which is relaxing and antibacterial. And not forgetting coconut oil and shea butter. A little goes a very long way. It's free from parabens, silicones and toxic chemicals, 100% THC free, the ingredients that causes the high. And it is gluten free, it's vegan and it's suitable for all skin types. So basically use it for anything on your body. Let's have a look. So this is what it looks like in a glass jar. Oh. It has an interesting scent, very interesting. So there you go, you can see I'm touching it and you can see there, I hope, that it's melting it as I touch it. So yeah, it's like a waxy balm. Well, no, it's not even a waxy balm, it's more like an oily balm. You see that? And that's what it looks like. So yeah, that's really nice on the skin and it's illuminated my skin beautifully. Fourth item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Eye Candy and it is Make Me Blush. It is, let's have a look, yeah, it has an RRP of $11.99. It just says feast your eyes on this beauty and be ready to create an array of soft glam looks, perfect for any occasion, especially a birthday. Featuring 5 shimmer and 4 matte shades that are ultra creamy and highly pigmented. It is cruelty free. This is what it looks like out of the box. Oh wow, oh my goodness, let's take that plastic off. This is what it looks like. That is absolutely stunning. It reminds me of like a vintage rose kind of thing, and we have a mirror up on top there. Right, so let's do some swatches. I will swatch 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. Let's make it fair. So I am gonna do this one here, which is called Pearl. I am gonna do this one here, which is called Bloom. They are 2 shimmers. And then I'm gonna do Fruit Punch, which is a matte. They are so soft. And I'm gonna do Dusky Pink. Oh my goodness, look at them. Wow. So them 2 are shimmers. That's a matte. Look how pigmented they are. That one there, that is a matte there too, but it's basically nearly the same colour as my skin, so you can hardly see that. You can see it a bit more better in person. Wow, that's beautiful. And final item in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Kraft, and it is a Mandarin Antioxidant Rescue Serum. This has an RRP of £26 and it just says turning food into a powerful skincare. Winner of a Global Green Beauty Awards 2022 is the Mandarin Antioxidant Rescue Serum, made with repurposed mandarin peel, which has been left as a byproduct in the food industry. Mandarin peel contains 2 actives, estrogen and niruturin. Yeah, again, I've totally murdered them names. Which are part of the B bioflavonoid family and aims to renew and brighten the skin complexion, fight free radicals, provide anti-inflammatory benefits and supports to resist the UVB induced skin damage. This antioxidant serum also comes with the addition of niacinamide, which can be soothing to the skin. So this is what it looks like. So I've just popped a drop there. Let's have a... It's a barely there smell. I think it smells all right. I think it feels really, really gorgeous on the skin. Really nice. Don't know. Yeah, I don't think you can see anything. There's a little glow there. Yeah, cool. I love a serum, and it sounds good. Right, guys, so this is the October Discovered Beauty Box. This is their 3rd birthday box. What do you think? Personally, I think this is a lovely, lovely box. I must admit, if I'm being truly honest, I think last year's birthday box was a little bit better. But this box is still awesome. There is nothing wrong with this box at all. It is stunning. So we get that gorgeous, gorgeous eyeshadow palette, amazing. We have a Wonder Bomb, which can be used basically for anything on your body by the sounds of it. A lovely facial serum, a candle that smells out of this world, and a facial bar, mud bar. Cool. Yeah, I can't fault it. I honestly can't fault it. Yeah, comment down below what you think. Again, if you would like to subscribe to this box, it is good consistently month after month. My link is down below. Save yourself £3 off the box. It's £25 monthly, so your first box will be £22. But yeah, that concludes my video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.